Yesterday evening, when our staff was on patrolling duty, when they reached at Varnapuri, they found one person suspectively moving in the Varnapuri area near the Coast Guard gate. So when they stopped him and asked him his presence at the said place, he was failed to give the satisfactory answers. So accordingly, search was taken, and there was one shoulder bag with him. So also the search was taken of the said bag, and when search was taken, we found some 685 grams ganja in his possession. So accordingly, we detained him and brought at the police station and booked him under the relevant sections of NDPS Act. So now our further investigation is in progress to ascertain the exact source of drugs. So we are also trying to find out where he had supplied the ganja in the Vasco city, and also we will find out the originator. His name is Kutubuddin Abbas Ali Ansari, age 30 years. He is a native of UP.
Being this is the first case, what is your
Yes, this is our first case of this year. So we will try to book maximum cases as per the information is received from the sources.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.